This chocolate brownie cake is a chocolate lover's dream come true. Fudgy, rich, and absolutely delicious. Gather your ingredients: unsalted butter, dark chocolate, light brown sugar, eggs, plain flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 160 degrees Celsius fan, or 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 320 degrees Fahrenheit fan. Grease a 20 cm round cake tin with butter and line the base with baking parchment. Melt the butter and chocolate together, stirring occasionally until smooth. Whisk together the light brown sugar and eggs until pale and fluffy. Add vanilla extract and whisk until combined. Gradually mix in the chocolate and butter mixture into the eggs and sugar. Sift together flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt in a separate bowl. Pour the batter into the prepared cake tin and spread evenly. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a skewer comes out with moist crumbs. Allow the cake to cool in the tin for 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack. Dust the top with cocoa powder or icing sugar before serving.